Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. And finally today friends, I got the solution for the problem, which is the call high volume problem in this POCO X8 device when you're talking on the calls in this phone. So many users, they did ask me this kind of question that how to decrease the volume in this phone, and the privacy is kind of really annoying in this phone because of the loud voice coming from the earpiece, and side passengers or side colleagues or anyone, they will be easily able to hear the calls while talking in the POCO X3 device. So that's why I thought of doing a little bit kind of research and find the solutions, and there are two solutions which are available right now in this POCO X3. So you don't need to wait for any kind of update, and which is a default present in this POCO X3. So you just need to enable those options, and make sure to watch till end of the video friends to get to know how to do that, and what are the things you need to know as well. So keep subscribing to my channel, and also don't forget to check the links in description for this live clock wallpaper as well. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. So let's get started friends. First thing is that go to the settings options. So once you're in the settings option, go to the about phone. So let me read it quickly. Yep, about phone, and now tap on the MIUI version for 7 times. So if you tap, you need to enable the developer options. So there's an option called in the developer options. So let me show you how to find that. So just type in the search bar volume. So just type in the search bar volume. So you will see this last option, which is called disable absolute volume, as you can see. So this is a volume. So click that option. So try to scroll down. So scroll down to the networking area. As you can see, this is a networking area. Try to scroll down, and here is the option friends, disable the absolute volume. So disables the Bluetooth absolute volume feature in case of the volume issues with the remote devices, such as unacceptable or loud volume or lack of control, as you can see. So these are the one thing maybe you can turn on in case of the loud volume, as you can see here. So or maybe the lack of control of the volume, something like that. Maybe try to turn on this option and test it. So it might work with this one, and just in case if it doesn't work, there is another step 2 options as well, which is available right now. So let me quickly show you the type 2 method, how to deal with this kind of problems. So just go to the same search in the settings. So go to the same search in the settings and just type mono, so which is a mono audio, as you can see. Just type the mono audio and just click on that, and now in the initial time, in the beginning, it will be like this friends, in the beginning. So if you don't change any settings, but right now you need to change the settings completely to the right side. So the reason why I'm doing this one, because so there is a left and the right. So left means on the top and the right means in the bottom. So that is how it's designed in this audio balance. So that's how the music is distributed between the both the earphones, both earpieces equally. So now what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to divert all the call volume to the right side, so which means the bottom one, so which doesn't come from the bottom always. The calls and every calls, when you talk on the normal calls or WhatsApp calls or Zoom calls, you will always hear from the earpiece only if you're talking. If you use the loudspeaker, it will come from the bottom, but if you're using the earpiece and if you use this option, what happens is the sound will be keep on coming from the bottom, but even though you won't hear anything, so it will decrease the load on the top speaker. So that is what I did observe friends in my kind of testing. So this second method will definitely work. At least little bit volume will compulsory decrease by using this kind of special feature. So make sure to try this kind of 2 methods. So just let me know in the comments below friends, what are your thoughts about this. So are you able to fix this problem or not? Because if you are if you haven't able to fix the problem, and if you're not noticing any kind of difference, so do let me know in the comments below. I'll try to find for another solution on this particular topic. So hopefully friends, this video might be helpful for a lot of users who are out there buying the POCO X3 and which are having this called high volume problems. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for this kind of upcoming videos, and thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video friends. And don't forget to comment below what are your other problems with the POCO X3, where I'll be able to help you, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.